today. East Fort Lauderdale. Looking at a old American Standard service call. Again, same day service. But we'll move forward with this diagnosis, see what's going on and what we find based on my pressures. Stabilized pressures right here, as you could see. It's low on gas, low on refrigerant, I should say. We're gonna do this service, see what's going on. What I'm doing is a visual for any oil residue coming out of the condenser, filter dryer, looking for oil residue somewhere around this unit. Usually right for the aluminum meets the copper in these spine fin coils. Could get a leak there. Let's see, no oil residue. So we'll dig a little deeper before I get this thing up and running. As you can see, a lot of rust here around the side glass. Rust, corrosion here on the copper, but still no oil. Again, the proper ways to do a leak. Hey guys, so what we're doing right now is a nitrogen test. Getting some nitrogen in there because this thing was pretty much out of refrigerant. You know, I do believe the leak is right here. You know, but I think we secured the leak. I want you guys to take a look closely. See that? Put a little bit of soap bubble on there. That's done. Again, back. Customer want to move forward with the repairs. Got a very important birthday event tomorrow at the synagogue. Again, we downtown Fort Lauderdale, Broad Boulevard. You know, not a long-time customer, I should say. Very loyal. So we're gonna make this happen for him today. You know, again, it's not recommended. 18-year-olds to invest $1, not 1 penny. But we understand